At the beginning of the 19th century in Germany, there was a Bavarian class that believed that it was of the Aryan race. They said Aryan race is the race of the underground, and this class worshipped Satan and formed a group of a satanic racist nature, which is the Bavarian group. It included all the scientists, men of authority, media, and celebrities in Germany to form a unit that could conquer the world with the knowledge they had achieved. On the other hand, they followed the trails of human-like beings. This theory developed when they found a spaceship in the 17th century in the Afghanistan region. Therefore, they traced these traces and considered that they were the owners of an ancient civilization. At the beginning of the 19th century, this group came into contact with beings from Earth. During satanic rituals and human sacrifices, they learned that those they were looking for turned out to be the Greys. It was the Bavaria group that later adopted Nazism, and they were the ones who chose Hitler as leader in a very organized and deliberate manner. The plan was to control the world through Germany. The truth is that the Germans during this period, after their agreement with the Grey creatures, preceded the world by 10,000 years, to the point that they reached an advanced missile system and arrived at drones, to the point that they reached the technology of flying saucers. Also, the flying saucers were actually manufactured with the expertise of the inhabitants of Earth, and there was a documented ceremony with the Grey creatures at the Norman military base. There are documented pictures of Hitler meeting with them, and Germany actually used flying saucers that it manufactured at the end of World War II, before Germany's defeat. At that time, it was still in the experimental stage, and the Americans described it as fireballs. After the defeat of Germany, the Allies took from the Germans everything related to the secret Nazi space program, and a joint military operation was carried out between American intelligence and Russian intelligence called Paperclip. Through it, everyone who worked in the German space program was tracked down and kidnapped, and whoever objected was killed and transferred to an area in the American Nevada desert in Area 51. They created a huge underground base there and forced German scientists to cooperate with them, and formed an army under the command of American and Russian intelligence.
All of you must hide the matter completely from the world until we reach the secrets of Germany's access to all this development and how to deal with the Grey creatures and all the details related to them.